Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S here with another reaction. And today we are with Sgee Vehnom. Yeah, Sgee Vehnom with Pretty Face. Official music video, something for the gal them. So we're gonna jump in on and hear what the G have to say. Let's go. We got production team first of all. We got production team. Your name are right across the screen. So big up on yourself, big up on yourself, big up on yourself. Let's go.
Tinkles.
You know, mad.
Mad. You know what, mad?
Hey, John.
Okay, when to pick up Mansion at the airport? Yes,
Hey, John. Make me piss in your face. Fuck out your throat and bust in your ears. No, I'm mad. When me talk,
Is that Tinkles?
you know, I'm mad. Hey, James, make me piss in your face. Fuck out your throat and bust in your ears. No, I'm mad.
Hold on. I must have foreign girl you talk to, brother. I must have foreign girl you talk to, right, yes, brother. We see a Ian Fleming airport. I pick up a moms. We just a forwarding, as I presume, half of one flight. Because it could be one boat. So, piss in a face, brother, golden shower. I must have girl you talk to, dog. I must have girl from Friday you talk to, brother. I must want them freaky from Friday you talk to, brother.
Make me piss in your face. Fuck out your throat and bust in your ears. No, I'm mad. When me talk, you fear. When me talk, you fear. Pretty face, but she devilish. Suck my balls, now me come and swallow everything. And then she take your plan B like medicine. Devil bitch, fuck out your throat, she feel belly ring. Fuck you like a dog and treat you like man, man. You know I'm mad. All dirty bitch, fuck you like a dog and treat you like man, man. Dots. All germs. Dirty bitch. That pillar make me feel like a Power Ranger. Shoot my foot in your hole and shot you be a box. Knock you up on the wall and bust your head back. Come on, girl, you know, man. Come on, take cock. Cocky flood out your mouth, you gonna need dentures. Me no come out for no, better bring 10 gal. Pronounce I know when me done with that. Pretty face, but she devilish. Suck my balls, now me come and swallow everything. And then she take your plan B like medicine. Devil bitch, fuck out your throat, she feel belly ring. Fuck you like a dog and treat you like man, man. You know I'm mad. All dirty bitch, fuck you like a dog and treat you like man, man. Dots. All germs. Fuck a bitch and go sit. Take my cocky, knocky on the nose ring. She have to give me slap it up, and I know this bad bitch. Suck it chocolate, that's some golden. Oh, you love the artist, I know me. Nah, make me tell her like story. Two Mali pillar get I never roses. Throw me a warren. Pretty face, but she devilish. Suck my balls, now me come and swallow everything. And then she take your plan B like medicine. Devil bitch, fuck out your throat, she feel belly ring. Fuck you like a dog and treat you like man, man. You know I'm mad. All dirty bitch, fuck you like a dog and treat you like man, man. Dots. All germs. Make me peace by your face. Fuck out your throat and bust in your ears, no mad. When me talk, you fear. When me talk, you fear. Suck your mother, girl.
Yo, me never bother pull up this bumbo clot here. First of all, let me tell you this blood clot. And the first me ever gonna do this. Take back me big up from the production team. Move on the bumbo clot and go with that, you know. That me a telling you, dog. You see some of the girl cause this, you know. Some of the bumbo clot girl cause this, you know. Them artists here I go overboard now. Them a try outdo each other to see who can do. You know why I'm disappointed, Sgee? Because you're a bad bumbo clot artist, brother. Artist, you're a bad artist, brother. I listen to your song, they make can write, brother. You can write, brother. What is, dog? What is? I'm gonna give a fuck who in the comment section why yet me no, brother. Me no give a fuck who in the comment section don't agree with what me I say. Una not agree with what me I say. Here we can't say right here. Me have my own opinion. Me no need yearns. Sgee Vehnom, you're a bad artist, bro. You don't need to go down the road there, brother. You don't need to do this, dog. Someone no girl, someone no bumbuckler girl to in a dog. We are kick and laugh upon a bumbuckler. I wanna give the artist them strength to sing them something, you know. Push foot in a hole, peace. Oh, peace reaching a dancer, pan girl. Oh, peace reaching a first. Where the we hear pitting a mouth. Now at this, what next? What next? What not bring the bumbuckler bar to? Where the bar a go? Where the bar a go? Where it a go? What is the limit? You tell me say dancehall now don't have no limit? You tell me say dancehall now don't have no bumbuckler limit, dog? Are yes so we gone, brother? Piss pan gal. Treat her like your enemy. Push foot in a gal wall. I just say gone now. So it's all about shock value now. And they said they know. You keep on moving the goalpost and I bring it further and further and further away. Which is not cool, bro. Remember say Pitney out and listen to the song them, brother. Remember say kids, we go to school and listen to the song them, brother. What we are trying to dog? What we are do? What the fuck are we doing? I mean, I have to say we. I have to say we, brother. And them things I'm not like, you know, because you know what? Enough good music, enough good artists out there have some good song. Now get highlight. Now go viral. But them fuckery, you don't want to send viral, brother. Some of the girl we are uphold with them fuckery, dog, and I talk about, you don't like it. Let me go in the comment section. Let me just go in the comment section for a second. Let me just go in there. Just for me. All right. The artist say, any monster here. So we say 119 likes on this. Let me see. Him say you know mad. All right. So say you know mad. Somebody say deaf. You know mad, brother. Anybody from TikTok here? Let me see. Me. Yep. A woman them in a dog. Me have to really listen to the song over and over again. It's the next level of dancehall this. No, it's not the next level of dancehall this. I would the bump like this. That's how me said to. Somebody said that me needs to know. Who knows? I wonder too. This body boy and this woman them. Height of madness this. So I'm glad say I'm not the only one who share this fucking view, brother. So you can come for me in the comment section, I don't give a fuck, dog. You can unsubscribe if you don't want after me say when me a bumbuckler say yes, dog. I don't give a fuck, brother. Like, what the fuck we are doing? What are we doing here? Where we are go? Production team, moving a blood clot to. Move and go, the whole on go. Take back me big up. Suck on yourself. Just like about to come and hear this, please pray for me. Jaja. So somebody say, shake your world, me dog. Shake your bumbuckler. This now past the airport when pick up the girl from. Why not try to bring in some foreign thing in this bumbuckler, your dog? Why not do? Girl, let me go wild for this. Wild for your pussy clot. Somebody say, you see it. You see it, your bumbuckler. I must your mama and your sister, let me go wild for this. Yo, dog. Listen, we not expect artists them to be role model to the youths, but we have to take some sort of responsibility and members say, yo, listen, on a bumbuckler artist, on a public figure where the people them rate and look up to, dog, especially Pitney, dog. Oh, the blood clot this, brother. This is not it, bro. Honestly, bro, this is not it, bro. This is not it. I'm not care who want vex, who want vex, who want please. This is not Bumbleclat, it Sgee Vehnom. Disappointed because you're a bad artist, brother. You are a bad fucking artist. Even the song where you sing with M.R. Turn round, but that was the lights. Chop back on the lights. Normally you go for the gal them hard, brother, but this brother, this is crazy, bro. This is crazy, bro. This don't make no sense. This don't make no sense. So, anybody who want to subscribe, unsubscribe from now. Hit the dislike button. Me don't give a fuck, brother. This don't make no sense, dog. Big up on yourself. Me gone.